Hey everyone, this is Toys Unlocked and we're opening day 15 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and there's a bow on the door, which I think means we're getting a person or an elf with fire in their hands. I don't know what's happening. Ah! So the mystery of the second minifigure has been revealed. We have another elf, another cute elf who looks very, very similar to Holly. I guess we'll have to look closely and see if there are any identifying factors here. It'd be nice to have two different faces or maybe a different print on the shirt. Though we can differentiate them because this elf is holding fire. Why is this elf holding fire? Is this fire? I guess it could be a feather. It's not orange. It's... Oh, here we go. This elf obviously works on the runway and does semaphore flags. So that way Santa's sleigh knows whether it's safe to take off. All right, let's compare our elves. Holly is on the right without his bows, and then Jolly is on the left, and they look to be quite similar. In fact, the fire or the flags or whatever you want to call them may be the only identifying factor here, which means that we have identical elf twins, and they're so cute, even though one of them is holding fire, which is dangerous. The nice thing about these elves is that they could be used to create little siblings for Emma or for any other mini doll that you might have. They're just the right size. All right, we'll get Clarence in here for a family portrait too. Hey, Clarence. I just noticed he has a hole in his head for accessories, which means, yep, why am I the way that I am? Okay, this was day 15 of our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and we got another elf, which is really, really cool. It adds a lot to the play potential of the Advent Calendar. So yeah, thanks for joining me for day 15 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. I hope to see you tomorrow for day 16. We still have another minifigure, mini doll to be revealed, so we'll have to stick around and see who it could be. All right, until we build again, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.